Hello everyone, I'm Jungle King, the Pifan Forester.
Meet Pinus Roxburghii, the mighty Chir pine of the Himalayas.
Today we're talking about Pinus Roxburghii, the mighty Chir pine. It grows in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Pakistan on hilly slopes.
This tree is super useful. Its wood builds homes and furniture, its resin gives turpentine, and even its needles and bark are medicinal. Want to spot a cheer pine? Look for long, slender needles, brown conical cones, and thick reddish-brown bark. Some can grow over 30 meters tall.
So next time you're hiking the Himalayas, keep your eyes open. The mighty Chir pine might be watching you.